A Christmas recipe up next on Uncle Chris. Hey guys, it's Uncle Chris and I am back with a nice Christmas recipe. This is going to be good for a cold winter's night. It is my pineapple tea. Around this time of year, everybody seems to be getting a cold and whatnot, and this will knock it right out. Crazy cat, I'm making a video. Check this out. My nephew said, "Where your Christmas hat? Your Santa Claus hat?" I said, "Oh, because I'm a star like Santa." He goes, "No, stars are pointy. You're round like Santa." Rotten kid. Okay, what you're gonna need, I got right here. One orange, one lemon. I say about 3 limes. That's up to you. But most importantly, I have was left over from hello kitty cat ginger left over from a pineapple I used today. I juiced it earlier. I have the skin from the pineapple. You don't throw that away. You use this to make your tea. And so as soon as I get rid of Miss Thing right here, Miss Diva, I will be right back and show you my pineapple tea. Really? I mean, really? Okay, guys, let's get a little organized here. First thing you want to do, I do have some water getting hot over here. I'll show you that in just a minute. I'm going to move my pineapple slices out the way. Ginger gives this dish a kick. I've already washed it off. I'm going to slice up my ginger. Lord have mercy. You don't have to slice it fine because it is going to steep and boil in this dish, okay? I'm adding that to the pineapple already. The one thing I do want to take off is the top of the pineapple. I do want the pineapple skins. See how much fruit is left up in there? There's a lot. Okay. Let's slice the orange. All this stuff is pre-washed. Kitty cat, if you put your claws in my chair, I'm gonna hurt you. All right. I tell you, every video is a fight with that cat. All right. Add this to the mixture. Slice your limes. Don't have to be fancy. Because remember, you'll put that in there. Slice this lemon in half. It's just a rough chop. Maybe I should sharpen this knife. Alright. I'm going to chop up the rest of these limes. Oh yeah. And then we're going to boil this down. Now, while this being a heavy citrus tea, it is going to give you the benefits of not only that ginger, but the vitamin C within it, and it'll help knock out all that cold and congestion. And if you don't have a cold, this is nice on a winter's night. If you have a nice movie to watch and somebody to cuddle up with, yes. In my case, I'm round like Santa, so says my nephew. All right, guys. I'm gonna put in the hot water my oranges. Just put them in. Okay. Put all my oranges in the pot. And all my limes, oranges, and lemons. Okay. Ginger. Put that ginger in there too. We're also going to put in our pineapple pieces. That's the important part of this dish. Okay? Load it in there on a low heat. This is going to take a while now. I'm telling you the truth. It's going to take a while. It's got to cook down. So this is something you can do while you're in the kitchen cleaning, because as my mother used to say, you cannot cook from a distance, my man. Okay? It looks overloaded, but it's not. You put the top there. You keep it on a low flame. You let it cook on down. It's going to go down up in there. Now we're going to add some key ingredients once it cooks down. Some cinnamon and some honey. And I'm going to show you a trick about that. All right. Okay. Now that this has cooked down, you see that? To that point, it's basically ready, but I wanted to cook a little more flavor. I'm going to add some cinnamon. Okay. Just enough to taste. Alright. Mix that down in there. We're going to let this simmer a little bit more, because already I let mine simmer for almost an hour. Well, 50 minutes. Alright. When I come back, tea time. Okay. As you see, guys, I have let this cool on down. I'm going to take this and drop the top and transfer this to a bowl. I'm going to drain the liquid out, okay? Be right back. All right, I am going to drain the liquid into here. It is cooled down, so no, I'm not burning myself. All right. Yeah. Now, don't throw this stuff away. You can put some more water in here and put it in the refrigerator overnight and make you some more. How about that? It's already cooked, that is, okay? All right. I am going to plate this up, or rather, cup this up, and show you how it tastes in just 1 second. All right, I have put the liquid, of course, into a cup. Well, nothing fancy. Now look, when your honey gets like this, don't throw it away. It's not bad. It's just crystallizing. That's all it is doing. You can still use honey. Hold on. Let me give you that spoon. Of course it won't fit. Well, my hands are clean, so is my stuff. Get a little bit here. I just want a little bit. Don't want a ton. Yeah. Oh, that's so good. As you can tell, I'm catching a cold myself. I tell you what, this is really good on a cold winter's night. Or you want to serve it at a party just to be fun. You can serve this cold too, as a citrus punch that you cooked. How cool is that? Okay. Next on Uncle Chris, I'm gonna show you some secrets to keeping Christmas fun without being a headache. Okay. Cool. I'm going to enjoy this tonight. So everybody have a Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays. All right. Take care. Yeah, the cat's going to have fun with that one.